This message was transmitted by the request of the Columbia Police Department. Police found a wire bomb man in the alleyway of Columbia. No action will be taken right now. If we have information about that bomb man, we will let you know. Stay tuned for more information of this strange situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Columbia Police Department. Police found the name of the bomb man. His name is Whitty from Friday Night Funkin'. If you see Whitty, call 911 immediately. We got reports that Whitty can go ballistic and explode people's houses. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Columbia Police Department. Whitty has bombed more houses in Columbia. All residents in Columbia, evacuated to another state. South Carolina will be exploded in the next 5 hours. If you don't evacuate, you will face certain death. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. We have interrupted your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Whitty has bombed Alaska, Texas, Washington, and North Carolina. Whitty is gonna bomb the whole world in one more day with a bomb asteroid. NASA is trying to destroy the bomb asteroid for coming to exploder. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. We have interrupted your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This message was transmitted by the request of NSAA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. NSAA failed to destroy the bomb asteroid, and Whitty is back to his Friday Night Funkin' world so the cops couldn't catch him. Gather with family, friends, and pets before certain death. You can go to panic mode if you want to. This is the EAS guy Tom, signing off for the final time with the national anthem. Stay tuned for the final minutes.
See you later!